Quilts and Quandaries. 638 videos to date. Welcome to our YouTube friends around the world. Let me see, what's today? It's March the 19th, Wednesday, March the 19th, 2025. And this is Ian substituting for my darling Jean on Jean Truelove Quilts for You channel. As you might know, but we're coming up to Jean and I 44 years of marriage, 10 children, their spouses, and now 21 beautiful grandchildren. The Truelove tribe grows. We're a close-knit family and count our many blessings. Followers of Jean's channel may recall, that's Truelove, Jean Truelove Quilts for You, they may recall that Maxwell and I were in a serious car accident in January 2023, which resulted in ongoing medical issues for both Maxwell and myself. Maxwell has had to have a delicate surgery to help with one particular injury, an injury that I too am having to contend with also on a daily basis. So my wife Jean has been looking after our youngest son, 25-year-old Maxwell, who has epilepsy and autism. The injury operation has been very rough on him. Jean mentioned in a previous video that he was sent home with no pain management other than Tylenol and Motrin, and he has just about managed with those. It's been 2 weeks, over 2 weeks now, yesterday exactly, since he had the surgery, and he's had some better days and some not so good. The photo of Maxwell 4 days ago now I think it is, we had to take of him in the emergency room as his wound, post-op wound, had opened up and he was bleeding profusely. Stitches had come out and he developed a hematoma and it was draining through the incision. Right now it's sort of calmed down somewhat and the swelling has gone down a little. Now, on a follow-up visit with the surgeon, he was assured it will be fine, but he needed much rest, evaluation and ice if he can bear it. That is to bring down the swelling, and it'll help with the healing process, a kind nurse told us. So though he felt it was necessary as a 25-year-old not to live with the effects of that injury, he decided on the surgery. But is it really going to be worth it? Especially now, as he was told initially that the recovery time would be 4 to 6 weeks, and now they're saying another 10 weeks, maybe 12 weeks. Needless to say, this has been very stressful, and Jean has been taking care of Maxwell around the clock. She's looking after herself, getting rest and eating well, taking vitamins, etc., but it's taking its toll. Our older children have been kind and helpful, but on this home front, it's Jean and I. We have a very loving Christian congregation that we're part of locally, and friends in the congregation have sent meals, flowers, goodies, and provided supplies as have been needed. In fact, last night I was together with our congregation, almost a couple of hundred of us, and various ones are saying that they will do stuff. In fact, one dear kind couple are coming with pizza for Maxwell, a particular pizza he loves. He doesn't know it's going to happen, so it's our secret. So we've felt the love of our Christian family locally. Just a wonderful thing. But Jean and I, to say we're not spring kitchens spring chickens. Spring kitchens. She's good in the kitchen. We're not spring chickens anymore. It's a reality. We're older, and after this, we're beginning to feel it a bit more. Over the years, Jean has put her all into her quilting channel, and I'm so proud of her. And as you know, just recently the channel has taken a different slant. Not so much quilting, more of just life with the true loves and what's going on around us here in the country and around the world. And what's lovely for me, what I really am very thankful for, all you friends, that you're all around the world. It's phenomenal. In Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Italy, various places in Europe, even as far away as the Philippines and Australia, as I said already, did I? It's a wonderful thing, our worldwide family, and especially for us with the quilting channel, all you dear subscribers and those that tune in to listen to Jean and her stories. So we appreciate all you long-time followers who've been with us, and through the fact that we've had a few homes, disasters on a couple of the homes. We've had health issues, the auto accidents, and various ups and downs. You've come to know our large family. That's all 42 of us now, the Truelove family. Babies, life experiences, true love stories, and then more babies. We just had 2 more just recently. We're now up to 21. So we've experienced many blessings, which many of you have witnessed in Jean's videos for yourselves. We've been getting, or Jean's been getting and telling me about it, requests for how Jean and I met, and she'll work on that, or she has already been working on it, and that will be coming out soon. Yeah. Was it love at first sight? Was it an international romance? It's understandable that Jean, with all that's going on recently, her creative streak has waned a bit with these other priorities at this time. So concentrating on Maxwell and herself is of paramount importance, and I'm insisting that she looks after herself. Otherwise none of us can enjoy her, the character that she is, her creativity. I'm surrounded just here in the second story of our house, where she's got 2 rooms dedicated to her crafty work, and on the walls some fabulous things that really inspire me. I'm an engineer and a not so artistic in comparison. I find it just so inspiring, and it makes me proud of my Jean to think that someone could, at her fingertips, in those amazing, creative, lovely hands that hold mine sometimes, that she can produce so many, many wonderful things. So I would like to ask a favour of you good people. Instead of Jean making new videos and new tutorials for a while, can we talk? I'll make a few videos with you. Write in with your ideas. I want to look back at some of her videos, some of those, how many did I say it was? 638. I got the update from her this morning. Look back at some of those videos and enjoy them. I'm sure there's many subscribers, and many will be looking at this video and hopefully the ones afterwards, that will never have seen some of her early creations. that several in the family had a part in putting together the artwork. It was just, I think of one Russian quilt that she actually made for a client that she had at the time. So Gina's made hundreds of videos and quilting tutorials over these last several years, and you'd help us out immensely if you could go back and revisit some of those videos and playlists. And I'm going to do some of my favorites and come on with you. That way the channel can keep on going, and when the three of us here at home are ready to film with new creations, we can do so renewed and refreshed once we've got these challenges behind us. So thank you all around the world, not just in the United States, who are showing love and concern for us and our family. We thank you for that very much. So this is a message from Ian, Jean, Maxwell, and the 39 more in our Truelove tribe family. Thank you all.